This time, we're out in rural North Carolina, looking at a 2.8-acre country property with privacy, space, and real renovation potential. As you pull in, the home sits in a quiet wooded setting outside of any subdivision, giving you that open country feel with no deed restrictions and plenty of freedom for future use. Inside, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with 1,344 square feet on the main level, plus a full basement that adds extra space and expansion opportunities. The main floor includes a functional layout with the primary bedroom on the main level, along with connected living areas that make everyday use simple and practical. There are multiple bathrooms throughout the home, including a full bath in the basement, which gives added flexibility whether you're planning family living, rental use, or renovation upgrades. One of the key things to note here is the value add potential. The home currently does not have central HVAC, which means it's ready for a buyer who wants to come in and customize systems, finishes, and layout to their own standards. The basement level offers even more opportunity, whether that's additional living space, storage, or a fully finished extension of the home. Outside, the property features a log and wood-style exterior that blends naturally into the rural landscape, surrounded by trees and open land on all sides. Utilities are already in place, including a private well and septic system, which gives you a strong starting point for development or renovation. And while you still get that private country feel, you're not completely isolated, with Wilkesboro just a short drive away for shopping, dining, and essentials. This North Carolina property is best suited for someone looking for a fixer-upper, investment opportunity, or rural home where you can add value over time and create something truly your own.